This is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online via content marketing and attraction marketing on hectic schedules with ease. And today's topic is what is a content upgrade and how to use them. What is content upgrades and how to use them? Okay, so first I want to define a content upgrade. And a content upgrade is defined as a piece of specific bonus content which matches a specific topic of a blog post, an article, or video, niche specific content, and is offered to help users solve a problem. Content upgrades are to be relevant, useful, and actionable. Okay, and I'm going to give you some examples of content upgrades. I'm sure if you are a frequent user of, online, you're on social media, you trying to find information for something, most specifically if you are in business and you're looking to your mentors and coaches for information. I'm sure many of you have opted in to get access to content upgrades such as how-to tutorials and guides, workbooks, worksheets, checklists, video tutorials and guides, resource libraries, just to name a few. Okay. And another example is, let's say that you are into hair. Hair is your niche, maybe specifically natural hair. Now, you are creating content that solves some type of problem for your users, and your content upgrade, your regular content, you don't just create them to solve problems. You also create content upgrades that solve problems as well. So you're in the natural hair niche and you create a guide or tutorial about 20 natural hair products that will grow your hair to waist length or longer. So that is an example of a niche specific content upgrade. Remember, your content upgrades must solve a problem that your audience is looking to resolve, and it must be relevant to your niche. It must be useful for your audience. Tips, information that your audience can use and apply in their life of business. And actionable. It has to have these tips and information need to be things where they can go and apply it. As I've said before, in their life, for example, I have coaches and mentors that give me on advice of what to do. For example, how to network in my business, and I take what they tell me and I apply it. So the information and the tips and the strategies you give your audience must be actionable as well as relevant and useful. Okay. So I want to ask you, what type of content upgrades have you or are you creating right now for your audience? Okay. And I also want to offer you a content upgrade. Now, 2020 is around the corner. And if you haven't already, you need to create a content strategy, or you need to upgrade the one you already have. You need to, have you a content strategy that you can follow from week to week, month to month, to get in the habit of creating regular content for your audience. Okay. And so I'm offering a 30-minute consultation to help you create and or upgrade your content strategy for 2020. And with that, I will also help you create a content upgrade for your audience specific to your niche. And in that content strategy session, I will help you identify your ideal client and customer, create an awesome elevator pitch, create a simple weekly, monthly content creation marketing strategy without all the busy work, decide which social media platform best suits your business and goals, create a custom made mind map to help you organize your content strategy, information, and ideas. Generate click-worthy headlines and topic. I help you create 10 of those. Help you understand how to conduct simple and quick information and keyword research and to create quick and simple content outlines for your weekly content. And I will also help you create 3 simple and appealing social media graphics from professional templates. And lastly, how to give you some tips on how to balance content creation, marketing, and time management. So that will be in my content marketing consulting support package. And if you want more information about that, let me know in the comments. Put content strategy upgrade. And as I said, with this package, I'm giving you a bonus. I'm going to help you create a piece of content upgrade, and such as a checklist and a worksheet. Those are the 2 I have decided to do for your audience. Okay. And so if you want to know more about or schedule a free 30-minute strategy and discovery session with me, drop content strategy upgrade in the comments. And I also will put the link to my job form where you can fill out information about yourself and your business. I can get to know you pre-call, and we can, schedule the call. So if you need help with that, let's get to it. Let's do it. And I will talk to you all soon. If you have any questions, please, other questions, jot them below. If you like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Well, it's morning where I'm at, but have a good morning and a good day. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.